Bitcoin is pretty much a stable coin again at around $117,000. It's one of those coins that, guys, it has its moments, okay? And as it's getting bigger and bigger, it is going to have days like this or weeks like this where we don't see that much movement. And this is just normal, okay? Now, let's talk about Bitcoin at 117,000 today. I mean, we've pretty much been ranging from 119 to about 117. In fact, the whole week has been pretty much like like we had a bit of a spook, but more or less, guys, if you take a look at the monthly chart, after we broke all-time highs, it's literally just been in this channel of like 115 to like 120, right? A $5,000 discrepancy, which again is a massive dollar amount, but when it comes to percentages, guys, that's just what it is. Like a 1% change now is, you got to take it in, like a lot of freaking money, right? So a couple things we're going to go over today. First off, guys, the TLDR. Obviously, the whole 80,000 Bitcoin moving and being sold or whatever, that was obviously a huge, I guess, test to why Bitcoin is a solid asset to hold. And also, the dip got eaten up so fast, right? I believe it was $9 billion or $8 billion of Bitcoin that got sold on the open markets, and nothing even happened long term. Okay, so another thing, after only 16 years, Bitcoin has already surpassed the entire market cap of silver. Okay, now, if that doesn't tell you what you need to know, I don't know what else will do it for you. Gold will eventually get flipped by Bitcoin, in my opinion. I do think that Bitcoin will hit $1 million, not this year, not next year, but talk to me in about 5 to 10 years and maybe we'll see it. Okay, now next up, when one Bitcoin is $1 million, you won't care if you bought at 97K or 118K. And when I saw this, it really stuck out to me. I was like, like, people keep saying, oh, like, we gotta buy the dip for Bitcoin, but let's be real, I think a lot of people do understand that Bitcoin, even if it doesn't go, even if, for whatever reason they don't think it will go to 1 million, people will be like, hey, $400,000 is definitely doable. And I mean, hey, at 100,000, that's a 4x with size, right? Like, you could go ahead and buy a large amount of Bitcoin in relation to your portfolio, and you should be fine. Okay, so again, more things to think about. Okay, now Donald Trump he's been talking about a couple of things, but before that, Ghana's central bank plans to license Bitcoin and crypto trading. Again, guys, Africa is looking, like a pretty emerging market for crypto. So again, pretty cool. Okay, now Donald Trump, the White House confirms the first Bitcoin and crypto report will release on on Wednesday. I can't read. It's super late, by the way, guys. I had a dinner, I played some futsal, and here I am. Okay, it's like 1:30 a.m. I'm literally gonna do this and go to sleep. Anyways, super cool. That's a strategic reserve. We're probably going to get some more information on that, or we'll get more information about some sort of stuff crypto and Bitcoin related. So that's pretty bullish, and I can't wait for that as well. And guys, I really want to quickly say, if you like Bitcoin, check out Bitcoin Hyper. I'll leave a link down below. It's a Bitcoin related layer 2. So it's an altcoin for Bitcoin. Very, very cool concept. They've raised over $5.6 million here. And I think there's going to be something that happens with this, guys. I'm not going to lie. I forget the tech. I'm not really like a tech type of guy, right? I'm not really like going to do all the research in terms of, oh, like, how does this work? I just don't give a shit. I like good projects. I like making money, and it's simple, right? The tech for this, what they're saying they're going to do, it looks pretty cool. Okay, and because it's related to Bitcoin, it's an altcoin, and because of how the markets are right now, I think this one's going to probably perform pretty well. I'm hoping to do like a 2 to 5x on this. So yeah, I think we'll do pretty well. We could see there's also some pretty generous staking rewards as well. So if you guys want to go ahead and check it out, link is down below, guys. You guys can go ahead, click buy with crypto. You can connect your wallet and go ahead and purchase. Okay, so go ahead and let me know how much of that you guys do end up buying. And finally, guys, this is what conviction looks like. Yes, you are all wrong. It's time to get to 1 Bitcoin, guys. But guys, if you did enjoy this video, why don't you guys leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.